It's an operation that has stunned the country. A midnight raid by officials of the Department of State Services to the homes of serving judges in different parts of the country. At the resumption of plenary, federal lawmakers in the Senate made their positions known on the matter.
To go in the wee hours of the morning and jump into the house of a public officer in this country and use hammer and chisel to break into such a house of any person who is a human being in this country, not to talk of a judge, is condemnable. And this is a tyranny of the highest order. Dictatorship, unguarded dictatorship. If the action over the weekend is within the envelope of normalcy, it will not have generated this situation. That is why we say law and order. So what technically it means is that something somewhere has gone wrong.
The recommendation that the Senate should summon the Director General of the DSS, Mr. Lawal Daura, to explain the reason behind the invasion of homes and arrest of judges did not sail through. The Senate, however, directs its Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters to review all existing laws establishing security agencies and report back in 4 weeks. Meanwhile, in the other chamber, the matter is introduced as a motion of urgent national importance. The sponsor asks the House of Representatives to investigate the invasion and arrest of judicial officers for alleged corruption and similar incidents by the Department of State Services.
The House is conscious of the powers of the SSS as enumerated in Sections 2, Subsection 3 and Section 6 of the National Security Agencies Act 1986, which does not include the investigation and prosecution of corruption and abuse of office.
It appeared a heated debate would follow, but the Speaker suggested that the motion should be put to a vote without a debate.
I don't want members to prejudge or make statements that would defeat the intents of the investigation that we're going to conduct. If you allow me, I'll plead with us to hold on until this investigation is done in line with the prayers of the motion. Those in favor of the motion say aye. Aye. Those against it say nay. The ayes have it.
The House resolved that an ad hoc committee should be set up to investigate all cases of invasion of property and arrest of persons for reasons outside the general duties of the Department of State Services. The committee will have 6 weeks to complete its investigation. Lanre Lasese, Channels Television News.